Welcome to San Francisco. As a former Bay Area resident, I am so happy to show you the Golden City. Today, we're going to cover some of my favorite highlights and foodie sites. First off is a free walking tour. We're starting in Nob Hill for a tour that covers the sites of the classic film Vertigo, which was filmed here in the city. I'm in San Francisco and we're taking the Hitchcock tour. Nob Hill is one of the classiest parts of town, situated at the top of the hill, and where many of the scenes of Vertigo were filmed. The city is known for its steep streets, some of which average over 31% gradient. Here's a flashback to the Vertigo film where Jimmy Stewart is driving down one of the steep streets. What is your favorite movie filmed in San Francisco? Comment below. At the base of the hill is the Vertigo Hotel, where one of the famous scenes in the movie was shot.
The green made her kind of your thrill, the blurriness, your thrill, very ghost-like.
This is the hotel from the movie Vertigo, and it was filmed in rooms 501 and 502. We're on the Hitchcock walking tour. He filmed Vertigo, The Birds, and Family Plot here. Next, we visit Union Square, where the opening scene of The Birds was filmed. Now, time for a slice of Paris in San Francisco at the Legion of Honor. This museum was heavily featured in the movie Vertigo. To take this free walking tour, check the link in the description below. The Legion of Honor is situated conveniently near
Golden Gate Park. Woo!
Golden Gate Park is a must-see. It receives over 13 million visitors per year and covers 1,017 acres. It's filled with museums and attractions, including this, which is the Conservatory of Flowers. Also inside the Golden Gate Park is the DeYoung Museum. Here we travel to the top floor where we see an epic 360 view of San Francisco. And see that funky looking building right there with the green roof? That's the California Academy of Sciences. It's open 365 days a year, and it's a planetarium, an aquarium, and a natural history museum, and a rainforest, all in one. After all that sightseeing, I'm getting hungry, so it's time to go to Japantown. Here in Japantown, this is Food Mecca. So this is the plaza, and this is the West Mall where they have all the delicious food. They have all the plastic displays like they have in Japan. Hole-in-the-wall restaurant. Eating the famous taiyaki cones. They make them fresh here. Black sesame and matcha. Yum! Here we drive by the City Hall. This is done in Beaux Arts architecture. Now we walk through the financial district, which is marked by the Transamerica Pyramid Building. Here we see the F Transit line, which runs on a historic streetcar system. A vintage rail car, and you can ride on these up and down the Embarcadero. Ooh, there's dim sum. favorite stores inside the Ferry Building are Blue Bottle, best coffee in the Bay, and Cowgirl Creamery is awesome.
I have a taster of the different flavors from an ice cream shop that we went to inside the Ferry Building. So we have honey baked ham, Jesus juice, a collaboration between the ice cream maker and Domaine Carnero.
Champagne ice cream.
Champagne with cherries.
This right here is Jesus juice. Spiritual. The Embarcadero is also where you can take a ferry ride to Alcatraz, Angel Island, and Sausalito. From the Embarcadero, we head north to the Marina District, the perfect place to go sightseeing and rent bikes. But be sure to bring a jacket because you're bound to find the reoccurring phenomenon, fog. Look at this person's Christmas tree. It's so pretty. This neighborhood. Look at the trees, and it goes all the way down. Right behind us is the Coit Tower. Look at this bright yellow tree. We have fall in California. One of the most unique things about San Francisco is the predominant Victorian-style architecture found throughout the city. What kind of car you need here? These streets are like the stair stepper. All lit up at night, and you can go to the top. We barely scratched the surface of the things to do in San Francisco, so we'll just have to keep coming back. And we hope that you get a chance to visit very soon. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, because coming up next, we're gonna journey to the Napa Valley wine region.